We don't need to tell you that the health benefits and freedom you gain from being able to grow your own food are immeasurable. But not everyone has time to spend working on a home garden.
For years now, we've been working with industrial robots, very useful but very expensive machines that help people with real practical problems every day. We decided it was time to put our experience in practical robotics to work, helping millions of families without the time to eat healthy.
This led us to the creation of Sybil, a fully autonomous garden robot. What sets Sybil apart from other garden robots? Not only can Sybil weed your garden, she can plant the seeds all by herself. Using a combination of LiDAR and machine vision to navigate, Sybil is able to build a map of the garden area. We've made setup as easy as possible. Simply place the NFC markers in each corner of the garden area. Then place Sybil in the center. That's it, you're done with setup. Since Sybil uses machine learning powered by TensorFlow Lite, she doesn't need any extra guards or protectors to distinguish between desired plants and weeds.
Sterling Robotics has worked hard to develop a quality robotic platform for your home and garden. Now we need your help to bring the joys of homegrown food to everyone.